Napagkwentuhan lately si Trinidad Fami Aguinaldo, ang nanay ni Emilio Aguinaldo, dahil may mamang nagpost sa Facebook ng breaking news na si Trinidad daw ang nagpapatay kay Antonio Luna. Para po sa mga naniwala agad-agad, malamang na-confirm lang yung bias ninyo kasi nanay siya ni Aguinaldo, nasa kabanatuan siya nang mangyari ang pag-assassinate kay Luna at may line attributed to her na nagalaw pa ba yan, referring to Luna's body. Sensational, di ba? Parang totoo. Pero pag nahimasmasa na tayo, marirealize natin na may flaws yung balita. Una, walang credibility yung source. Mali pa nga ang pag-quote sa historia na si Ambeth Ocampo. At pangalawa, walang corroborating report from another source. Sana, tandaan natin yon kapag nangyari ulit. Huwag po mag-share ng links kahit DM kung hindi naman kayo sure. Instead, look for a credible source. Now, let us abandon conspiracy theories for a moment and look at what we know of Trinidad Fami Aguinaldo. She was known as Kapitana Teneng. She was a former cigarette maker who married a gobernadorcillo. Her marriage record to Carlos Aguinaldo was dated April 16, 1856. The second page mentioned that both of them were mestizo de sangre. The document mentioned both of their parents. Her parents were Joaquin Fami, spelled with an I, and Simona Villanueva. The baptismal record of Emilio Aguinaldo from St. Mary Magdalene Church in Kawit, dated March 29, 1869, described the future president as a mestizo de sangre. His parents were Carlos Aguinaldo and Trinidad Fami. The document mentioned both his grandparents, and little else is known about his ancestors beyond them. Trinidad was widowed in 1878 when her son Emilio was still a child. As a single mother, Trinidad managed their livelihood and ensured her children had a good life. The reputation and wealth of the Aguinaldo children later in life were partly because of the good name of their father Carlos, who served several terms as the gobernadorcillo in Cavite El Viejo, but also the strength of character and yes, the resourcefulness of Trinidad Fami Viuda de Aguinaldo. So it is no wonder that the safety of his mother was an important consideration to Emilio Aguinaldo as he fought the Philippine Revolution and the Philippine-American War. O, diba?
Meow meow.